So, hello aspirants, welcome to this session. So, it's now a matter of around 10 days for your final JEE main exam, as JEE 2020 is not being postponed, and the exam is going to be held between 1st and 6th September 2020. September 2020. So, for this matter of 10 days, I am not going to give you a plan which will fetch you more and more marks. But in this 10 days, the only thing which you have to focus upon is to think at margin. Okay, so you have to first of all, this is the most important tip. Okay, so think at the margin, because see, you have prepared for the last 2 years. Okay, you have been preparing dedicatedly for this exam, and in case you are not able to manage your studies at this point of time, then the chances are there that all your preparation can get ruined. So this is a very negative point and negative sign of your whole preparation. So please think at the margin. Since you have studied for last 1 to 2 years, so studying for mere 10 days does not matter that much. Okay, you are potentially capable to study for more 10 days. Okay, so you have to do it. And for the next 10 days, I have a very small plan with some few tips. First of all, you have to set up your body clock. Okay, so it is the most important aspect, okay, of this session. Please set up your body clock. If you don't know what actually it is, so I will give you example. Let's say your exam is on 3rd September 9 to 12, okay, in morning slot, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so in that case, for the next 10 days you are going to give at least one mock, or only one mock in that time period. So you have to give, if your slot is from 1 to 4, 2 to 5, so you have to give one mock at that time only. So what are the benefits? So the most important benefits are your concentration will be at the peak at that time on your exam day. So you will be able to put all your focus, and your concentration ability will increase. Now coming to the second point, it was first. Now coming to the second point, starting something new at this point is I tell it is prohibited. Please, now you have to focus on mocks rather than on study new material. Focus on mocks and try to increase your marks by practice. If even if you have studied 10 chapters only, as example, then focus only on that 10 chapters. Starting anything new will does not benefit you much. Okay, so it is the very important thing. Now coming to the third part, so sleep is very important in last 10 days. Okay, if in case you take your studies as a headache and try to study for more and more hours, so the efficiency will surely decrease, and all your preparation will get ruined. So don't create any scenario, any scene like this, and please take adequate sleep, because the mind relaxation is most important at this point of time. Fourth, so now the most important point is, for these next 10 days you have to leave all the social media platform. Okay? So you have to cut out from it. It is the very important point which I want. So please bear with me. It is the, I know it might be tough for someone, but it is the very required point. So you have to do it. Now seeing any other thing apart from your books uh, is not a great sign. So please only focus on your books and mocks rather than giving any bit of time on the social media. So please, it is the highly important thing which I want to tell. Now coming to the last point. Last point is the mock strategy for this 10 days. So what will be your mock strategy? So first point is, try to attempt at as maximum as possible. If you know even a very little concept about a topic, then do attempt the question. Okay, so even if you know a very little point that you haven't done any problem practice, but you know the concept, so surely do that question in the mock paper. Second, surely do the analysis. Even if you do not do the analysis and give a lot of mocks a day, the whole preparation is zero. Okay, whole preparation is zero. So if you have covered 8 mocks a day, there are students who have the capability to even give 5 to 6 mocks. So if in case you did not do the analysis, how are your mocks going, then it is a waste of time. So it is the most important that try to attempt as maximum questions as possible, and second, do the clear analysis. Try to find out the best topics which you can score easily. So that's all for this session. Best of luck for your exams, and do stay tuned to the channel for more great content. I will be uploading some study sessions